More than 1,900 people who are currently hospitalized for COVID in Georgia. According to the Department of Health, hospitalizations went up by 36 over the last 24 hours. But you got to remember this part, though. The numbers are usually pretty low on Mondays because it reflects the data from over the weekend. It's been low the entire time over the weekends. We got to keep that in mind. But there was also more than 1,800 new cases reported, which is also well below our 14-day average. We're going to continue to track the very latest COVID data from the Department of Health and post those up-to-date numbers on 11alive.com. You can also see it on the 11 Alive News app. Just look in the As Seen on TV section there.